Well, RISA is not with the same political party as the president, but because of the hearings in the Senate, POGO was banned. So I think eventually, if we are able to effectively present the evidence that will merit, action from the executive department to go after yung mga nagsasamantala, to clean up the importation process, to ensure smuggling does not happen, to make stricter implementation of various importations sa gulay, sa karning baboy. Pagka nagtulungan ang executive department at legislative department, palagay ko kayang habulin itong mga holders na ito, close the gaps that allow for prices to be manipulated and bring down rice and food prices. We did that before. In fact, we filed cases in 6 regions against traders, confiscated 500 million worth of bigas. We revoked their permits. We blacklisted them. Di ba? At nung nalaman nilang seryoso kami, nilabas na lahat ng bigas na inuunti-unti. Hindi ba? Merong isang balita, for example, just the other day, na onions daw, technical smuggling. It was supposed to be misdeclared, pero about 55,000 kilos of onions. So, may pangalan nyo. Sino ang nag-issue ng permit doon? Bakit na-issue yung permit? Paano naabot? Sino ang involved sa customs na... Diba? Kung talagang seryoso, kaya. So I hope I answered the question. As long as walang sasantuhin at handang makipagtulungan ang executive at legislative, we can and we ought to bring down itong presyo ng bigas at iba pang bilihin.
Follow-up, Reynold?